Here are 7 points about 7 different farm animals that would make for a fun and educational kids activity. Cow. Cows are mammals that are often found on farms. They provide us with milk, which can be used to make products like cheese and yogurt. Cows have a stomach with 4 compartments to help them digest tough plant materials. They are social animals and often form close bonds with other cows. A female cow is called a cow, a male is called a bull, and a baby cow is called a calf. Cows communicate with each other through various sounds, like mooing. They spend a lot of time chewing cud, which is regurgitated food for further digestion. Chicken. Chickens are birds that are commonly raised for their eggs and meat. Hens are female chickens, and roosters are male chickens. Chickens scratch the ground to find insects and seeds to eat. They can make different sounds, including clucking, crowing, and squawking. Chickens have a crop, a pouch in their throat, where food is temporarily stored before moving to the stomach. Chickens take dust baths to keep their feathers clean and free of parasites. A group of chickens is called a flock. Pig. Pigs are intelligent animals that are raised for their meat, known as pork. Baby pigs are called piglets. Pigs are known for their love of mud baths, which help them cool down and protect their skin from the sun. They have a strong sense of smell and are used in some places to find truffles. Pigs are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and small animals. They communicate with each other through grunts and squeals. Pigs have a relatively short gestation period of about 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. Sheep. Sheep are domesticated animals raised for their wool, meat, lamb or mutton, and milk. Baby sheep are called lambs. Sheep have a strong herding instinct and often stay close together for safety. They have a unique 4-chambered stomach that helps them digest tough plant materials. A group of sheep is called a flock. Sheep are known for their distinctive baa sound. Wool from sheep is used to make clothing, blankets, and other products. Goat. 1. Goats are known for their curiosity and ability to eat a variety of plants. 2. Baby goats are called kids. 3. Goats are agile climbers and can often be found on rocks or elevated areas. 4. They have rectangular-shaped pupils, providing them with excellent peripheral vision. 5. Goats are social animals and form close bonds with their herdmates. 6. They communicate through various sounds, including bleats. 7. Goat milk is commonly used to make cheese and other dairy products. Duck. Ducks are waterfowl with waterproof feathers, webbed feet, and a flat bill. Ducklings are the name for baby ducks. Ducks quack to communicate with each other. They enjoy swimming and can often be found in ponds or streams. Ducks are omnivores, eating both aquatic plants and small insects. Male ducks are called drakes, while females are simply called ducks. Duck eggs are edible and used in cooking. Horse. Horses are large mammals often used for riding, racing, and work on farms. Baby horses are called foals. Horses come in various breeds and colors. They have a strong sense of smell and excellent hearing. Horses are herbivores, mainly eating hay, grass, and grains. The sound a horse makes is called a neigh or a whinny. Horses have a special stomach adaptation called a cecum, aiding in the digestion of fibrous plant material. These points provide a good starting point for kids to learn interesting facts about different farm animals in an interactive and engaging way.